Hi everybody, I hope you're all having a good 2025 so far. I know it's been a while, but I wanted to make a video to kind of outline what my plans are for the channel in the coming year. School has been keeping me busy, but while I work towards getting my bachelor's, I've also been working in the background on personal projects that I'm hoping to bring to the channel in the near future. But first, to answer the question I know is on everyone's mind, where is Project MUSTELON? Don't worry, MUSTELON hasn't gone away, and I'm working hard to make the project as good as it can be. I'm currently in the process of updating some of the lore, making the world map more accurate with more diverse habitats, and updating pretty much all of the illustrations to better fit my vision for the series. So, when will the next episode be? I honestly don't know yet, but hopefully soon. One of my plans right now is to make a bunch of MUSTELON content so I can make multiple episodes in advance that I can release in regular intervals. I don't know how long that'll take, but I'll do my best to share as many updates as I can on my Patreon. In the meantime, I also want to expand on what I really want this channel to be. I love speculative evolution, but it's not my only area of interest I want to share with everyone. In addition to MUSTELON, I've also been working on a few scripts for videos talking about different fossil animals and other topics relating to natural history with a whole new art style too. I'm hoping to have illustrations and graphics done for those videos soon so I can start sharing them here on YouTube. I understand that most of the people who are subscribed to me are mostly just here for MUSTELON, which is totally valid, and I'm glad you all like it so much. But I also want to use my channel as a creative outlet where I can experiment with artistic mediums to express my love for paleontology, evolution, and wildlife. So I hope you'll stick around for all of my other projects too. Another one of my goals is to learn how to do more with motion graphics and animations so I can really increase the production value of my videos to make them more engaging and entertaining. My dream is to get as many people as possible interested in learning more about natural history. Is it a little ambitious? Maybe. But first and foremost, I just want to have fun sharing my artwork and passions with all of you. So, those are my goals for 2025. I'm looking forward to seeing what the year brings, and I hope you'll all join me on my journey to making this channel something special. Until next time, stay creative and stay curious.